My name is Millicent Okoye. And this is my story.
Oh my God. You're not serious. Really? You were? What do you want me to say now? But wait. Are you telling me this guy still comes after you?
Ha! Okwa every day. Every day. Every day that guy harasses me. But I don't feel like settling down now. That's the issue. I really don't want to settle down now.
No. Millicent, no. The question here should be, do you feel anything for that guy? It's not about whether you feel like settling down. Do you feel anything for him?
You know I will never lie to you. Exactly. I don't feel anything for him. In fact, I don't even think he's ready to settle down. He doesn't have money. Doesn't look like someone that has any tangible thing to offer a woman. You know? And then most times when he comes, he's always jumping bike or keke, no car. For someone that wants to settle down, hey,
Really, my friend.
He doesn't come across as serious.
Look at you. You're working and you're making money for yourself. What are you going to be using the money you're making to do? This is why the Bible calls it a helpmate. You have to support a man. It's not all the time that people find, that women find already made, you know.
I understand what you're saying, but at least I will enjoy his money small. When I am now helping him, I will know that he's not using me. What are the things? No, now. That is not how it is done. You only that silly thing. You have to open your eyes.
You're not seeing what I'm seeing in that guy, Millie. I'm telling you that you're not seeing what I'm seeing. If you're seeing what I'm seeing, you should better consider that guy. Better reason his proposal. No. I know why I'm telling you this.
Okay. Think about it.
Better think fast.
You know my heart. I don't like to.
Hi Millicent, how are you, baby? Come on, don't that face. How are you?
What is it?
Nothing bad. Please, can we sit somewhere and talk? I really want to talk to you, please.
I can't sit and talk with you. And what are you doing here? Are you stalking me now?
No, God forbid. Why would I do that? I wasn't stalking you. I was on my way to your house when I saw you walking. I followed you up.
And that is talking. Anyway, like I said, I don't have time to sit and talk with you. I have things to do.
Millicent, please. I need to talk to you, please. Just give me a minute.
I heard you the first time, and I am saying it again. I do not have that time to sit and talk. Please.
I love you, Millicent. I love you so much, and I will keep coming to you until you accept my proposal. I do love you, can't you see? Please. Millicent. Millicent. Sorry, Shiba.
Amalicha Millicent mom. Mama. Amalicha, I guess you know the reason I invited you over to my house. It is in regards of my son's proposal to you. I want to know the reason you have been turning him down. Is it that he is not your kind of man? Or because he is not financially balanced like your family? What is the problem?
It doesn't have anything to do with his financial status. Not at all.
What is it?
Nothing serious. So. Just that I don't want to get married yet.
Only that? Sosia? Hey, I was thinking there was something serious. Maybe now my son, one thing or the other, that was the reason you are turning him down. You are still of age. Are you telling me that you're too young to get married? Of course, I know that's not the issue here. Eh? You are at the point. Now, let me tell you. Do you know how many young girls older than you, about your age, all of them going to different churches in search of husbands? Yes. But here you are, my daughter. My son has been crying for you. Morning, afternoon, night is your name that is on his mouth. Plus my own mouth, because I also call your name. Because we love you. And please, if my son has not played it very well, let me add my own. Because I want to marry you. Amama. Amalicham. No, please promise me that you are going to talk to my son positively. Because if you do, I'll be very happy. I'll talk to him. Is it a promise? Are you promising me that you talk to my son?
I'll talk to him.
Not just talking to him. Are you telling me that when you talk to him, you talk to him positively, as in saying yes? When you smile, this is the way I stretch my neck to see your face. When you smile, my heart beats like, will this girl be my daughter-in-law? Eh?
I'll talk to him.
You promise me. Oh, Malicham. Hey! Nemo! You know what? Hi! Preparing for a marriage is not easy at all. Eh? Even though Millicent's family was the one that did the major work, but the little we did, it was not just easy, so exhausting.
Traditional marriage is always stressful. Just take it like that.
Mm-hmm.
It's
right,
always stressful.
Mm-hmm. You're correct.
Only if it was white wedding. Mama, would have just employed the services of event planners. Sit and wait for the big day.
Yes, thank you very much, everyone. Thank you so much for making this process a progress. I really appreciate it. Mama, thank you. My dear sister, thank you so much. But most especially, I want to thank this beautiful woman here, Millicent. Oh gosh. Thank God that I found you for accepting to marry me. Mama, she has made me a complete man. My joy is full.
Hey! So where do I come into this one? Some people has never ever in their life said thank you for the 9 good months that I carried them in my womb, nurtured them through childhood to adulthood, and made them become who they are today. They have never said thank you.
Mama!
Okay, no problem. Thank you, Mama, for bringing us to this world. We really appreciate it. God bless you.
Keep it your hands high. Let me manage it now.
Thank you.
Thank God that Millicent came, because if she hadn't been here or accepted to marry you, you won't remember to thank me. Thank God you are here.
Hey! Vincent!
Come on, move!
Vincent!
Go!
What are you doing?
Hey!
Vincent, please, I am begging you. What did I do?
Shut up!
Why do you want to kill me?
You have to die for me to be rich. I'm tired of you, witch.
Vincent, I am your wife. You cannot do this to me.
You are witch, you're not my wife. You have to die for me to be rich.
Why do you want to kill me? Why do you...
Baby, what is it? What happened?
You want to kill me?
Me want to
kill me?
Me want to kill you?
Why do you want to kill me? Why do you want to kill me?
My love, how can I kill you? My wife? Okay, baby, calm down. Go back to sleep. It's just a dream, okay? It's just a dream. Go back to sleep, okay? It's just a dream. Sleep. What is this? Millicent! Millicent!
Yeah, what is it?
Ah!
Gosh! What is the problem?
You're asking me what is the problem? What is this rubbish? What is nonsense? Test and see. I say test and see.
There's nothing wrong with the food.
I said it. You will never see anything wrong in anything you do. Finish it. Finish it. You will not see anything wrong. You don't want me to eat, eh? Fine. I'm going inside.
But there's nothing wrong with the food. What is wrong with this man? This is the second time he's doing this. The second time he's walking out of the house without eating. Blood of Jesus. Blood of Jesus. This dream again. Why would Vincent want to kill me? Hi. This is the third time I'm having this same dream in a month. What is heaven trying to tell me? Did I make a mistake? Did I marry the wrong guy? Is my life in danger? What is going on? Hi! This is becoming serious. This is becoming very serious. Look at the time.
Baby. I love you so much.
I do love you.
Are you sure?
Yes, so sure. Oh, thank you, darling.
So sweet. You know, I don't know what I would have done without you. Of all the women I've come across, baby, this is my final buster.
Oh, Lima.
I don't know what you did to. What did you do to me?
I used cognomen.
Go. Sorry.
Don't worry, I'm just joking.
It's nothing.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Sweet girl and holistic and I hope you're fine.
I'm fine. I'm leaving.
Nsiro, why are you disturbing us? Nsiro Idayaro, don't you sleep? Please rest. Witch. For take. What's that?
And no baby. And holistic.
She's trying to spell my name. And I want to sleep now.
And holistic and no. Oh, It's too much.
So Vincent slept outside this house again. As in, it's been 4 days and Vincent hasn't been home. Hi! What did I do to myself? What did I do to myself? Eh? I didn't want to. In fact, I was not even ready for this marriage. If not that his mother and his sisters begged and put pressure on me, I won't be here. Now look at what I'm going through. Hi God, how did I make this kind of a mistake? Hello, Mama. Good morning, Ma. Mama, it's Vincent. Oh. Eh? Mama, Vincent has changed. He has changed so much. Do you know, for the past 4 days, Vincent has been out of this house. He hasn't been home. He doesn't pick his calls. He doesn't call back, at least to give me a bit of peace of mind. Let me know where he is. The last time I called him, a woman picked his phone and called me a witch. Mwah. That is what it looks like. I mean, why else will a woman pick his phone by that time of the night? Now, you should have woken me up in a better manner than this.
Shut up! Waking you up in a better manner? Which way? You are here spoiling my kitchen. Do you know how much it costs to put a set of kitchen in a living room? Do you know? Did the people send anybody with you to my house?
I was only watching TV and I slept off.
TV woke you there. Oh, yeah, inside.
I'm not feeling fine.
Go inside. Let the sickness kill you inside. Come on.
Hey, Vincent, why are you? Welcome.
Welcome, Bukwaya. Come on. Inside, Osuso. Go inside. What kind of woman is this one now? Huh? See. Millie, where are you?
I'm still asking you. Where have you been for the past 5 days? And who was that woman that picked your phone and had the guts to call me a witch?
Millicent! Millicent, what is it? What do you want? You have the effrontery to ask me such a silly question. What an impetus! What an audacity! Are you mad?
Are you saying that I do not have the right to ask my husband where he has been for the past 5 days without picking his calls or even calling
You must be very stupid. You must... Chineke. Mimi? Millie. Me? 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 Baby, no, now I was just playing now. This is just this small push. Huh? Mimi. Hey, Chine. Millie. Who is there? Me? Yeah, this is my phone.
Baby, are you going out?
Isn't it obvious I'm going out? Are you blind?
Are you going to stay long? I mean, what time are you coming back?
What kind of stupid question is that one? I don't know when I'm coming back. Any problem?
Baby, please now, I can't stay alone. You remember what the doctor said?
Millicent! So I should leave my office and come back home and play nanny for you, Ewa? Is that what you want? You must be out of your mind. Tell me, are you the first pregnant woman to ever exist? Or are you carrying message in that your stupid womb? Tell me. Now, what is all this now? Why are you tormenting my life, Millicent? I should leave my office, come and sit at home and babysit you. Is that what you want? Now tell me, if I come out and sit at home and babysit you, how do I get money for our survivor? How do I feed you and that stupid thing in your womb? How? How do I get money? Millicent, be very careful. Let this be your first and last time you mention this silly thing to me again. I'm off to work. Witch. Look at you.
Baby, welcome.
How are you?
I'm fine. Please, I want to tell you something.
Alright. I hope there's no problems. Okay?
Please, I am begging you. I need someone to be around me. Please, it hasn't been easy for me in my condition. Biko.
Really? Well, well said and done. You moved down to my mom's house, okay? I believe my sisters and my mom, they'll take good care of you. Yes, very good.
In the village?
No, in the town.
Baby, why can't we invite them over here? I mean, I'm going to be more comfortable in our own house.
Millicent, what are you saying? That my mom's house is uncomfortable for you?
No,
huh?
No. That's not what I said.
Better. So what are you saying?
It's fine. I'll go.
When you are ready, let me know. Oh? Did you hear me?
Imagine that evil girl coming here to take refuge. And she wants to be treated like a queen. Look at her head.
Can you imagine? Stressed this. My doctor said that. Like I have never been pregnant before.
Mama, the worst is, ever since my elder brother got married to this witch, I don't know if things are moving from north to south for him.
Is it north or south? Since she came into our brother's life, everything good has actually stopped in his life.
Oh, Chimo. Oh, Chineke, now what has my son gotten for himself? Because the worst is, I don't even know what kind of charm she used on my son. And worst of it is, Biko, is she not older than my son? Are you not older than my son? Of course! She is older than him. Eh?
Let me look at her.
It's true. Look at her very well. Are you thinking? She is older than my brother. Let's say that she has money. That's why my brother married her. At least Nigerian can't hold nobody. Money, Ijiho.
Not that her family even have a name. Her father has no name to say we are even running after their name, so that we'll say, we are running after their name. Nothing like that.
Meanwhile, what is she cooking? Are you cooking stone? Eh? Is she cooking stone?
Better check what she gives us poison to eat.
Let me know what you've been cooking since over 1 hour. You've been cooking hot water. Hey! Mama!
I can't even smell anything.
I'm not perceiving anything at all.
Mama, Miri, we had in our
I said it, oh! What? I can't smell, so we just put water on the fire. You have been cooking nothing. Pounding empty water. Hey! Miracle! For the past 2 hours. Hot water. Oh, they sent you to kill me with hot water. They sent you to kill me with hot water and water clear. Is that what you came to this house to do? To kill me with hot water?
Can you imagine? Can you imagine?
I will kill you first. Look on my now. I'm also with hot water. Okay. Finally did it. You finally showed who you are, witch. So you finally killed my own grandchild out of your witchcraft. You did.
How can you say a thing like that? It is my child we're talking about here.
Shut up! Shut up. Look at you. So this is who you are. You have proven yourself right as a witch. Because if you are not, you would have opened your mouth to utter a word. You are talking. Eh? How did you do it? Tell me. How did you kill my child?
I did not kill my child.
You did? Amosu Olimwa. Olimwa. Amosu Olimwa. Amosu Olimwa. Tell me how you did it. Tell me how you did it. Oh, tell me how you did it. What that? Onyinye, get me plastic plates. Come with $1 million. Let me fetch water. This cup. Oh, yeah. Get me plastic bowl. I was asking you to get me plastic bowl.
Mama, Vincent just called. He said your number is not reachable.
What did he say?
He said he will be back by next week.
Easy. That's okay. I'll get to it.
Mama,
is this how you come on? Pull down your dress. You remember you didn't pack when I got this.
Mama.
Hey! You needed to have seen what happened in church today. Mommy released marital prophecies to the single.
I hope you claimed for us.
No, I claimed for myself. Obviously, you did not need prayers.
Mama, can you imagine? 1 hour! 1 hour!
Before uncle, if you had needed prayers, you would have gone with her. What are you doing at home? I beg you not to go to church.
At least I answered call and I passed the message.
Go down and get for me.
No, you claim money for yourself.
Please get me a plastic bowl because. Hey.
Mommy gave me a prophecy. About what? About Millicent. What about her? She asked me to bring her to the church, that she has a message for her.
Message for her? Why? What are you waiting for? Take her now. Take her to the church. Maybe she has actually seen the evil we've been saying in her too.
Abi? That means I will take her there by next week.
Vincent will also be coming by next week.
That's fine.
Please, let me go and get something for myself.
Or you, Jay.
Make sure you cook. What my family, right? You went there to insult my family. On top of it, you were cursing my family. You are useless girl. You are a witch. Hey! I was even thinking you were a good girl. I never knew you were pretending. Idiot. Useless. I will tell my mother, in fact. Let's get to the house. You will see what will happen to you. I am talking to you. Answer me. I say I am talking to you. Answer me. Wicked girl. You have a dark heart. God will punish you. God will destroy you for cursing my family. For cursing us friends. So you want to curse us. You want us to be useless now. It is you! All your curses have returned back to you. Back to sender!
Millicent, you cursed my family. You cursed my family. Ezeoku. Now let me tell you something. There is nothing, absolutely nothing, that this your stupid curse will do to me or to my family. Again, let me tell you. You see this, my daughters? They will all get married and have their children.
Amen.
Much more children. More than you have ever wished to have in your life.
Amen.
Wicked witch. And our born way.
Who are you to curse us? Who are you? Are you God? Who is your father? Onyekibu. Hey? Anyways, I don't have much time to talk to you. But one thing I always want you to have it at the back of your mind is that who is he that said a thing and it cometh to pass when the Lord God Almighty has not commanded it? Nobody. Nobody. So you do not have any right to curse us.
Vincent, now that you want to leave, make sure you take her with you. Because I don't want to stay with her any longer in this village. I don't want to have her anywhere close to me or close to my children.
Go.
She just lost her child.
Who cares? Like I care. She lost what? How can she have children when everything that is in her is full of curses?
Millicent. Millicent! So you cursed my family, right? You cursed my family. Very well then. Stand up, pack your things, let's leave. I said pack your things and move.
Come get inside, my friend. Can't believe we go on our frog all day. Nonsense. Why will you not miscarriage? Tell me why you will not miscarry because of your wicked heart. Your
Where
heart
are you
is
before
so
I came in
desperately
this place?
wicked. Came to cost my family. Ebonye, who are you?
Who are you?
Millicent, I'm asking you, who are you?
Who is your father self?
Leave my house. Nonsense. Take her with you.
Someone that does not
Take
even
her
have a
with you.
name himself. He's coming to cost us.
Millicent. Millicent! How dare you? How dare you place a curse on my family? I'm talking to you, Millicent. You are wicked. Evil. Look at you. Witch! I don't even know what to call you. God!
I was very bitter. They hurt me. They hurt me so much. Even with my pregnancy, I went to the farm. I cooked. I did all the chores. They never allowed me go to the hospital. No checkup. No antenatal. Nothing. And because of all that, I lost my child. Our child, Vincent. Our child. And even when I lost my child, they had the guts to accuse me of killing my child. How wicked can they be? They didn't even mind that I was pregnant. They made me do all the hard chores. How can they be that wicked? I lost my child.
Baby.
They killed my child.
I'm so sorry. Please. I'm so sorry I didn't know all these things happened. We'll make another baby. I promise. Okay? We'll make another baby. I'm sorry. Okay? I'm sorry. Please.
They killed my child.
Okay. It's okay. It's okay. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Please. Forgive me. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Let's go inside. Okay? Come. Come. I'm sorry.
Oh, Vincent, peak now, peak. Ah. Hi. Come here, dear. Come here. Ah. Oh. Hey. Ah, finally. Hello?
Why are you disturbing him? Can't you understand when a man doesn't need you anymore? Leave Vincent alone for me. If I just because of you and go to my village, which is Accusations, you regret the day you said yes to Vincent. connection like your husband or any family? Nobody. What is wrong?
It's labor, it's labor. Oh, prepare her for the tears. So sorry.
Hi.
Sorry. Take it easy.
Ow!
Hey. Please go there and prepare for the theater. Be fast. Go. I will take care of her. Go. Sorry. Take it easy. You'll be fine. You say your husband is not here? Ha.
Careful. Sorry. Miss Okenwa, I have to be honest with you. From what I saw at the scan, there's no way you can give birth normal. A CS has to be conducted. And your husband or any of your relatives needs to be here to sign the document.
Doctor, unless you want to take me and my child to the mortuary, just allow me to sign, because there is nobody to sign for me. Please, let me sign. Let me sign the form myself.
Madam, things are not done that way. Anyone in your condition will sign any document given to them. So you have to call someone.
Doctor, do you want me to die? Unless you want me to die. Because even if we stay from now till eternity, nobody is coming here to sign for me. Especially my husband. My husband will not come. So let me sign. Ngwa, if you want. Sorry. If you want to bring the form, let me sign it. Let me sign, make a video. At least people will see that I gave my consent. This pain is too much.
Okay, no problem. Nurse, take her to the theater. I will join you guys soon.
Okay.
Get the theater set, Lucy. Careful. Lucy, yes, I need you to make a list of what Miss Okenwa will be needing while she is recovering. Meanwhile, she will give you her house address. Go to her place, get her baby things and her personal things. I wonder why some men are very useless beyond prayers. Yes, my team. Do you still remember the pin?
Yes, doctor.
Okay, good. Get the things quickly. Okay? Yes, come in. Nurse Lucy, so you are still around?
Yes, doctor. Good evening.
Evening. I thought you might have gone home.
Not why we have a patient we both are responsible for.
Oh, that's true. Thank you very much. I could not have gone through this alone without your support.
It's 10 days today, and the husband remained unreached. May God have mercy.
Oh yes. I will have to discharge her tomorrow. She will be strong enough to go. But meanwhile, I would have Nurse Oge go with her for a few more days.
That is wonderful. I was just coming out from their ward. They were both sleeping. Doctor, she is so worn out and sad, even in her sleep.
May God have mercy on them.
Very sorry. Doctor,
Yeah.
I just said let me come and see you and know how you're doing.
Oh, thank you very much. I'm fine.
Okay, I'm going now.
Alright,
Okay,
have a
bye.
lovely evening.
Yes.
Thank you. Madam, it's okay. You really don't have to say much. You know you are still healing. Just make sure you take care of yourself and your son. And don't forget to bring him back in 3 days for circumcision. Just take care of yourself and your son.
Doctor, may God put smiles on your face. Just the way you helped a helpless woman, may you never lack help in every aspect of your life. Thank you.
Meanwhile, I'll make sure Nurse Oge goes with you for a few more days till you fully recover and make sure you can cope. Okay?
Thank you. Doctor, this one is too much, oh. It's too much. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Nothing is too much for our golden baby. Something bad would have befell us that would have taken away my license and my hospital. If not for the destiny of this child that saved us. So we have to treat him with absolute care. I'll be in my office till you are ready to go. Just let me know when you are ready to leave, okay? Golden baby. Alright, I'll see you later, ma'am.
Are you going? Please, please.
What is it?
I need some money to take him to the hospital. I also need money to buy food stuff.
Just look at yourself, Millicent. Just look at yourself. Are you not ashamed of yourself? Are you not? When will you stop asking me about money? When? You have suddenly become a liability to me and I don't like it. I don't like it any longer. I regret the day I married you. Am I the only person that has a wife? Am I? If not for this baby, what's this?
Tomorrow will bring. Just have faith and hope.
Yes? Who are you and who are you looking for? I asked you a question and you're laughing. Who are you looking for?
Ask him.
I'm asking you again. Is that girl pregnant for you?
And who told you that? Who told you?
Listen, just answer the question. Is she pregnant for you?
Woman, since you have found out with your witchcraft, yes, she is pregnant for me. And she's due very soon. Are you okay now? I hope you're satisfied. Black witch. Nonsense.
Baby, your baby is not grown.
Honestly.
He's looking very handsome. Baby, how are you?
It's good.
Yeah.
Mamugo, I actually came here to discuss something with you.
What is it?
See, I'm just thinking, because of the way things are now, what if we start contributing for 5,000 naira every month? Your water. At the end of the year, we would have gotten a substantial amount of money. We can even use the money to buy foodstuffs. What do you think?
Nne, it's a very good idea. I like it. Hi. In fact, I will tell some of my friends and my customers. I know they will like it too.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Please, let me quickly rush and go and feed my baby. Breast milk no longer holds you. Breast milk is no longer enough. So let me go and cook.
Hey, men and breast. Both young and old. Okay, my dear.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thank
you. Hey, it's a very good idea. Contributing 5,000 at the end of the year, we use it to buy food stuff. It's a very good idea. In fact, I will like it. I'll join it, and I'll tell some of my friends.
Okay. Let me go to the shower.
Millicent! Millicent! Get up, get up! Millicent! So you did it! You finally did it, eh?
Did what? What are you talking about?
Millicent, how could you? You killed a child. You killed a child just because you hate her. An innocent child. Millicent, how cruel and wicked can you be? How? When will this your wickedness stop, Millicent? When? Must you kill anyone that crosses your path? First, it was my sister Bere. She died during her delivery. As if that wasn't good enough for you. Onyine was sent out of her marriage because of series of miscarriages. Now, Eno lost our child. Millicent, you're wicked!
Your mother killed your sister. Your mother allowed Onyinye to be sent out of her marriage. Because of her, I lost my child. Because of your mother, our marriage is not working. So if there's anybody to be blamed in this situation, it is your mother. Oh, so Eno is her name. Eno. Really. Anyway, I do not have a hand in anything that is happening to her. She's simply paying for putting asunder in her marriage.
Is that so? Is that it, eh? Millicent, I regret the day I got married to you. You black winch. Millicent! Millicent! The war just started. Watch and see. Black winch.
Thank God I started this business. Eh? In 3 months I have saved 300,000. More. Hey! Chineka, he's a real. I think I should just open another account and then remove the contribution money. But that will be after my next Cotonou trip because... Chai. Let's go to Amaka. Baby, your lunch is served.
My love, come. Come and sit. Come, baby, come. Sit. What did he say?
I've served your lunch.
You made lunch?
Yes.
Wow. You know, your food is always sweet. Just as sweet as you. So, jump into the dining. Baby. Yeah. Ooh.
Hey! Hey! Because I know I left that thing in my box.
Hello.
Just hope. Mechiolo! I just hope it is not what I'm thinking. Hello? Vincent?